Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today we are making crispy chicken and veggie rice fritters. Don't throw away your leftover cooked rice, we are turning it into something delicious. First, cook your chicken strips in a hot pan. Season the chicken with salt to taste. Once the chicken is browned, chop it into small pieces. Next, prepare your fresh vegetables. Remove the seeds from the tomato and cut it into small pieces. Dice the green and red bell peppers and finally chop the fresh parsley. In a large bowl, start with the cooked rice, add half of the chopped chicken, followed by the tomatoes, the bell peppers, the flour, and 2 large eggs, the milk, the fresh parsley, some chili flakes, and salt to taste. Finish by adding the rest of the chicken and then mix everything thoroughly using clean hands until fully combined. Heat the oil in a large saucepan. Insert a wooden stick into the oil and if it bubbles, the oil is hot enough. Scoop the mix into the pan with a spoon and fry until golden brown. Then flip to cook both sides. This is the exact color we want, golden brown and super crispy. Look at that. And for the last batch, fold some sweet corn into the remaining batter for extra crunch. Place the sweet corn fritters into the hot oil, cook both sides until golden and plate them side by side. Arrange the rice fritters on a plate and sprinkle some fresh parsley on top. They are golden and crispy on the outside and packed with flavor inside. Now it's time for the absolute best part of the video, the taste test. Look at that golden color. They are super crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and full of flavor. If you loved this recipe, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with the Darlings for more easy and delicious home recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now!